Hi. I'm going to speak about artificial intelligence and its future and scope and what we do here and everything. So artificial intelligence is all about mimicking human brains. And when you start with any technology, it could be blockchain, IoT, big data, or cybersecurity. The center part of each and every emerging technologies would be AI. AI on the whole, it is going to impact the entire world, all the businesses, and to be frank, each and every human being is going to use AI one way or the other in the everyday life. And artificial intelligence is not about just, creating or making jobs. It is about, how the lifestyle of each and every person is. We call it as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is a kind of an industrial revolution that is going to happen right now, and it has already been started. And artificial intelligence on a broader perspective, it covers a lot of wide areas like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, a bit of robotics and everything. So when you come into artificial intelligence scope, it is not doing any kind of magic here. It's all about algorithms, math, coding and everything. It is just a set of procedures. We are just going to do something without being explicitly programmed. You're not going to program anything explicitly, but you are going to teach the machine how to learn from examples. Just as a kid that we are doing it, artificial intelligence is going to do the same way. And why the companies are adopting more on artificial intelligence, it's because of the data. The data availability before 5 years is totally different, and the data availability right now is totally different. You have millions of zettabytes of data that has been generated each and every second. Just for an example, if you take any industry that has been, today probably you take airline industry, manufacturing industry, everyone collects data. They save data, they store data, they transmit data in millions of zettabytes. 1 zettabyte, for example, it's almost 10 to the power 12 GB. So the data has been generated every second, but it has to be analyzed. To analyze such an amount of data, we need to have specific things in place, which is machine learning. So out of 100% of the data that has been generated today, only 5% has been analyzed, and almost $20 billion has been spent by companies every year on making AI products and services, and almost 20 to 30% growth has been seen in the jobs and as well as in the AI space. So myself, to talk about myself, my name is Bharat Kumar, and I was a research intern with IIT Madras. We do with Computational Center for Brain Research, and then I'm currently heading AI division in US, a company called Nova Labs LLC. We are into strategy consulting, we do corporate trainings, and we do research and development for the federal governments. We are US federal government registered contractors. We take a lot of work on the research side as well, and my integration with Karpaga Vinayaka colleges, I'm an advisor, and I take care of their AI trainings, boot camps. We do tech talks, we do a lot of things on AI. And to be precise, why B.TECH in AI in Karpaga Vinayaka College? B.TECH in AI is very new course that has been coming up, and we have wonderful facility with the innovation lab. We bring industry experts to do the tech talks, data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI architects. Everyone would start, they just guide the students on how the industry works. There is a lot of difference between academics and the industry, so we are trying to bridge the gap between the academics and industry using all the technical tools, all the technology experts through tech talks. We are conducting boot camps, we do conduct workshops, seminars, frequent interaction with the industry experts to understand what is happening on the real world industry. And this is something which the industry is lagging. Academics is totally different and industry is totally different. We are trying to bridge the gap, and Karpaga Vinayaka College is doing its best, and that's the reason B.TECH in AI at KVCT is really wonderful, because it bridges the gap between the industry and academics. Thank you.